Oh god. Yo, today I'm gonna show you how to do a pop back swipe switch for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. Goddamn kill shake. Oh god, I'm so salty right now. Pop back swipe switch, okay. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're gonna be getting into the last move for level 2.5, which is a pop back swipe switch. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your pop back scoot switch. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Community update, Felix is still at it. Check it out, look at him go. Hey Felix, look at him. Just in case you thought he gave up, he did not. That is the persistence of a true Upraizer. Let's give him a round of applause. So this move is basically just a pop back swipe, but we are bringing that scoot leg through and landing on it before the swipe leg lands. And this move and all the moves in this level are basically just the foundation for all the switch flips that you're gonna be learning later on, like gainer switch. Whoa. So when you start this move, you're gonna be starting in a backside stance, crouch down slightly. You are going to start to bring the outside arm around into the ground. You're going to start to open up your chest and your hips and jump off both legs at the same time. Then you're going to kick that swipe leg up, and then right after you do so, you're going to bring your scoot leg through, switching it all the way to a backside stance. Now, you can do this move with a follow through at the end of it. You can do it with a spin in the beginning of it, and you can do it with a spin and follow through together. And I do recommend you get used to these if you want to be a well-rounded, actually comboer. Yay for comboers. I'm a comboer. Now, as for tips on this move, you kind of want to think pop and then kick. So kind of think about it as jumping off both feet, kicking one, and then kicking the other leg through. So pop, kick is kind of what I say in my head. Try that. If it doesn't work, boo-hoo. No, if it doesn't work though, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're struggling with, or send me clips. I'm like a free coach to you guys. You don't even have to pay for this, okay? Send me clips and I will put you on the tricking tips section in these vids to give you tips on whatever move. I don't even care if it's a round kick, dude. Just send clips, guys. Come on. I want to know that you guys are actually training. And if you do not have a pop back swipe already, which you should, but if you don't, I'm going to put that tutorial up right there so you can click on it and get that, come back here, and then try to get this one. But don't try this tutorial before you get that move. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons for supporting this channel. You guys are freaking dope. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you hated this video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you absolutely want to kill me, please subscribe to the channel. Next, we're going to be getting into level 2.6 and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.